Serena Pitt was born on October 25, 1997 in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Her parents are the Rasnav Pitt of Indian descent and Bill Pitt of Canadian heritage. She has a sister named Talia. From a young age, Serena was passionate about dancing, which she pursued during her early years. She graduated from the Wilfrid Laurier University in 2019. Serena's first gained public attention as a contestant won the 25 seasons of The Bachelor in 2021, where she made it to Final Four before deciding to leave the show. Later, she joined Bachelor on Paradise Season 7, where she met and got engaged with Zoe Ambail. This couple remains together and often shares updates with the fans about their life. They got engaged in October 2021. Serena continues to work as a publicist on media, residing in the Toronto, Ontario. She is active on Instagram, where she shares lifestyle connected with her fan followers.